Hello everybody, this is Savannah New York speaking. I'm going to draw a deer, which means I love deers, right up here. And first of all, I'm going to draw a triangle, which was this. And then I'm going to draw this. Then I'm going to draw this, which means, you know, then I'm going to draw this, which means, well, sort of. Then I'm going to draw this thing right here, which is the deer's horns, and a long, long thing with a little thing at the bottom. And this right here, which means, oh, you know, this. I'm going to do this, and then we are going to draw his ears, which is this. And we are going to color in this thing. Color in the ears. And then we're going to color in the face. But you know, the black, just find out. It won't cover up all space. You know, my mom could not do any greater pictures than me. You know, I have more talent than her. Oh, and I almost forgot, guys. Remember, keep drawing number 1. Number 2, I almost forgot this. Okay, next we are going to do a nose, then 2 eyes. That's it for today. Remember, keep drawing.